New Horizons is an interplanetary space probe that was launched as a part of NASA's New Frontiers program. Engineered by the Johns Hopkins University and the Southwest Research Institute, with a team led by Alan Stern, the spacecraft was launched to study Pluto's system and in its secondary mission, the Kuiper Belt, performing a flyby of Pluto and one or more other Kuiper Belt objects, known as KBOs. The satellite was launched from Cape Canaveral, Florida on January 19, 2006 at 7 p.m. The rocket that was used was the Atlas V 551 to provide the thrust to get into Earth's orbit and beyond. Currently, the space probe is still en route to fly by the Kuiper Belt object, estimated to reach it in 2019, according to NASA. The biggest parameter within the mission's orbital plans was necessary for shortening the duration of the flight to Pluto and beyond. Usually, the quickest route between two objects is a straight line. In this case, due to the great magnitude of Jupiter's gravitational pull, the spacecraft slingshot around Jupiter, increasing its velocity by 4 kilometers per second. The duration of the primary mission to Pluto was 9.5 years. Although the mission to the KBOs is still running, extending the mission another 3 more years. As you can see, the scientific equipment on this space probe is what defined its success in the Pluto mission. New Horizons carried 7 instruments, 3 optical instruments, 2 plasma instruments, a dust sensor, and a radio receiver. The optical instrument that we will be focusing on in this video is the Long Range Reconnaissance Imager, LORRI for short. The LORRI was the eagle eyes of the New Horizons missions. The high magnitude of magnification had an aperture of 8.2 inches. To simplify things, the LORRI was basically a normal digital camera with a massive lens attached to it. The imaging instrument was specifically tested and was made to operate in extremely cold environments, especially near Pluto. The image quality is a subject that we must consider in this mission. One of the reasons for this mission was to gain information about Pluto's systems, so obviously there will be an instrument on board to capture the new findings. About 60 days before closest approach, the LORRI surpassed the Hubble telescope in quality and resolution. The resolution of the images were immaculate. The actual size, 1-to-1 ratio of these pictures is about the size of a football field. These images give scientists a great new technique to analyze Pluto's surfaces and topography. Meanwhile, since the New Horizons is still on its mission to the KBOs, it is still currently providing the closest and highest resolution images of those objects, creating new findings possibly every day.